this headlamp is amazing. And if you guys work in small crawl spaces, you're gonna need something like this, especially if it's dark and you can't get your flashlight in there. You know what I mean? So anyway, it comes in this little carrying case. You also get a USB A to C, so you can charge it. Here it is. This is it right here. The way it works is you got to fit it onto your head like this. And it's got a band in front and it's got a spotlight on the side. And this is what it looks like here. So I'm just going to show you guys the way it works. So there's a little button here. If I press it, the headband will come on full strength. Let me turn this light off. Here, once, bam, the headlight's on. That's the band that would be in front. Let me show you. It'd be like that. You see that? Okay. So then if I press it again, this band's going to get a little lower. Oh, it went off. Let me press it again. I should get a spotlight. No, there's the band. There's the band lower. So if you leave it on for a second and then press it, it goes off. So you got to figure out how it works. If I press it again, I should get the spotlight strong. And then if I press it again, the spotlight less. Then I press it again, it should go out. If I press it and hold it, I should get like a strobe effect, which you could use when you're riding your bike or something. Yeah, there it is. That's the strobe. If I press again, it should turn off. Okay, so that's basically how it works. So know this, if you turn it on, like you've got this on like that, and then you wait a couple seconds and you don't immediately click it to a lower intensity, it'll turn off when you press it. Okay, you see what I mean? So like if I go like this and then I go like that, then it goes lower. If I wait a couple seconds and I press it, watch what happens. That came on. All right, so yeah, maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. There's lower and bam. So anyway, that's how it works. And you put it on, you put it on your head like this. And what's great about it, now your hand's free, man. You can do whatever you need to do, and you don't have to worry about, like holding the flashlight. You're right in there, bam, 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 doing your thing. Where is it? There we go. Now it's lower intensity. Now the spotlight, lower intensity, then off. So yeah, I'm going to go in a room and I'm going to show you guys, how it does. All right. So it's a little bright right now. It's not nighttime, but we'll just come in here, right? So you guys can get an idea. All right. So I'm going to go with the band first. See? Lower intensity, spotlight, lower intensity, off. Here comes the strobe. Yikes. And that's it, man. So yeah, I highly recommend this because when I'm putting in a garbage disposal, I don't have room for all the different tools that I need to insert it. And I can just bring this in there and bam, I'm working with both hands. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like this. Woo! Peace out.